I'm sitting here in the boring room. It's just another rainy Sunday afternoon. I'm wasting my time, I got nothing to do. I'm hanging around, I'm waiting for you, but nothing ever happens. And I wonder, I'm driving around in my car. I'm driving too fast, I'm driving too far. I'd like to change my point of view. I feel so lonely, I'm waiting for you, but nothing ever happens. And I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky, and all that I can see is just a yellow.
What's the bag? Oh no, that's the case. No. Yeah? Alright, let me check it. There's space in our tent, you know. Your tent looks a little. Come on then, Tara. Let's see your skills. Nice! And again, Snowy, and again, shake, shake, Snowy.
With which we have agreed. And you think you have to want more than you need. Until you have it all, you won't be free. Society, you're a crazy breed. I hope you're not lonely without me. When you want more than you have, you think you need. And when you think more than you want, your thoughts begin to bleed. I think I need to find a bigger place. When you have more than you think, you need more space. society. You're crazy breed. I hope you're not lonely without me. Society, crazy indeed. I hope you're not lonely without me.
My hair, touch me everywhere. It's amazing. Frankenstein, something.
Come into my world, I've got to show you. Come into my bed, I've got to know. You will never be my, you will never be my fool, will never be my fool. Floaters in my eyes, wake up in the hotel room. Soon I have dreams of orca whales and owls, but I wake up in the field. A desert sunrise, you warm my soul, painting me in shades of clay, covering me whole and I'm a lizard, sunbathing in your radiance. Oh, I come out of hiding, so sweet you are. If I could only have.
Oh, Giggy, well done. Oh, Giggy the barrel! Goodness sake, Giggy. That's ours. No, it's not, thank God.
I've been waiting all this life in the company of one, and I know I am young, but I don't wanna be alone. If you could only just consider the two of us, and I know, darling, I could be so good to you. Horizon, bringing light into the day, and I'm coasting on your rays. When I awoke, you spoke through the mist of a mystic bliss, casting shadows on all my dismal yesterdays. Do you remember that you told me, darling, that I was so real? I'll tell you all, my tears for you are real, and we'll cross that bridge again someday. I know we will, I hope we will. A desert sunset, a lullaby. If I could give it all to you.
Dan, stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Happiness hit her like a train on a track, coming towards her, stuck still, no turning back. She hid around corners and she hid under